Hey everyone! Tonight we're going to be time travelling back to mid-1800s New York to make the delectable Knickerbocker cocktail. Knickerbocker originally referred to the Dutch settlers in New York City, but over the years has come to mean New Yorkers in general. You know that old school, cool, classic New York vibe? Like most vintage cocktails, it has evolved over time, but throughout all those years it has always included rum, curacao, raspberry and citrus. I love raspberries, so this is one of my favourite cocktails. What do we need for this cocktail? We need spiced rum. I'm using Captain Morgan's because that's my favourite rum. And we need orange curacao. We need raspberry syrup, all the better if it's Monin. We need some raspberries to garnish, and we need a lemon. Let's get into it. Okay, firstly, let's make the garnish. It's very simple. Just take a couple of raspberries and then just put them on to your cocktail pick like so. I'm just going to, actually that one's not a very good one, so we'll just find, you know what, I think I'm just going to use one. I think one will be fine. Okay, now we need to juice the lemon. For the fresh lemon juice, we're going to need 22.5 mils or 3/4 of an ounce. Still not enough. I'm conscious of the fact you get so much juice out of one lemon. You know what I haven't got? I haven't got ice. I'll be back in a minute. Got my glass out of the freezer while I was getting the ice. So we're all set. Okay, ice into the shaker. Probably about 1/3 of the way, I'd say, maybe a little bit more than 1/3. Okay, in goes the juice. Okay, juice is in there, and next we need to put 2 ounces or 60 mils of spiced rum. I just love the colour of this rum, it's beautiful. Okay, and now we need 15 mils or 1/2 ounce of curacao, orange curacao. And she goes. And raspberry syrup. This is my favourite of the raspberry syrups. It is really so nice in anything. Not just cocktails, you can cook with it, you can put it in milkshakes, it's really, really nice. 15 mils, 1/2 ounce of raspberry syrup. Now, on my hands. Just grab the lid. Let's give this a good shake. Okay, I've shaken off the work week and I'm ready for the weekend. Give it a couple of bangs to get the lid off. Okay, all good. And we're ready to pour. Look at that colour, it's a beautiful colour. We're ready for our garnish, which I'm just going to stick here like that. How beautiful is that? A coaster? And here we have, let's get rid of the guff I've got on the counter. So here we have the Knickerbocker cocktail. Let's give it a taste. This one's a winner. It's got the perfect balance of tart and sweet and just complex enough to keep you coming back for more. Pretty simple to make though, isn't it? It's perfect for kicking back tonight and relaxing. So happy Friday, and I'll see you next week.